Hello, my name is Susheel K. Sharma. I'm an interventional cardiologist by training, and lately my focus has been on integrated wellness, and I'm exploring some risk factor modification techniques and lifestyle transformation techniques that can help prevent, control and reverse lifestyle disorders. And as you know, blood pressure is one of them. So here I presented on yoga and hypertension. I think that very important factor that is required for lifestyle transformation is mind transformation. And in my opinion, yoga, meditation and pranayama provides the three best tools that you have for mind transformation. Without mind transformation, lifestyle transformation cannot happen. And without lifestyle transformation, these lifestyle disorders cannot be controlled. The other thing that I learned along the way is that integrated wellness is an individualized prescription. Each patient is unique and they need individualized advice according to their preferences, along with a guided approach, an approach with his hand-holding and followed by a follow-through for at least 26 weeks or 52 weeks for lifestyle transformation. So our focus right now is to conduct a trial in heart disease reversal, and also I've had the pleasure of meeting some of the diabetologists here who are interested in reversing diabetes, utilizing the same program. So if some of you are interested in using the same modalities for hypertension reversal also, I'll be happy to team up with you, and let's say together we can conduct some more trials that can help our patients reverse their lifestyle disorders. Thank you.